Hi, I'm Kritika Mathur. I've been with Xebia for around 3 years now. What keeps me binded here is the endless opportunities, the amount of wisdom I get with leadership, and the amount of recognition you get when you come up with certain new ideas is amazing, which keeps me going here. Xebia is always at the forefront of technology, like AI. We not just build solutions for our customers, we also build solutions for our enterprises, whether it's AI SDLC or other agentic solutions for that matter. Me being from a non-technical background, I do get to experience AI in my day-to-day life, which makes things more productive. What I love about Xebia is the learning opportunities. I get to upskill myself with the domain-specific and agnostic certifications, which has helped my career grow immensely. I believe if you're looking for a career growth and not just a job, then this is the right place. Because you will get a right blend of people, opportunities, and culture. And that's all what we need.